In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can adjust the size, shape, and color of the dots in your Scatterplot in Microsoft Excel. So to do this, you first want to click and then right click on one of these series in your Scatterplot. From here, you want to go down and you want to click on Format Data Series. Now, one thing to note is that Excel more or less views a scatterplot in these dots as quote-unquote like markers. With that said, you want to go to this fill bucket right here, and you want to adjust marker options. You can add lines if you want to, but here we just want to have markers. And from here, we can click on marker options. And this is where we can make some of the changes that we want to. So we can choose a different marker by clicking on a built-in marker, and we can adjust the different shapes. So we can have like a triangle, a dot, a triangle, just different shapes of plus, or you can even upload our own image right here. We can also adjust the size right here. So if you want it to be bigger, we can click this plus and have large dots in our scatter plots if we really want to, or we can have super tiny dots in our scatter plot. But we cannot see that. So we're going to have this be like 15. And then we can adjust the shape if you want to. We can have dashes. We can have triangles. Never will make us happy. We can even adjust the fill. So you can have the pattern fill for these different pieces if you want to. This probably is not what you want, but the thought is that you can kind of format this to be whatever you want it to be. And you can also adjust the border if you really want to for these different markers. So we can have like a green border on these if we really wanted to. This is probably not what we want to have, but the point is that you can kind of customize this to fit your needs. And the only kind of thing that might be a little bit annoying is that if you have multiple series, you have to kind of go through each one to make these changes. But we can go through the other series, go for my data series, click on this little fill icon, click on marker, and we want to adjust the marker options. We want to also have this be a triangle that size 11, and you want these blue to be the same thing. So for my data series, click the little fill icon, click on marker, marker options. We want a built-in marker options, or you can click none, but then it kind of disappears if you click none. So we want a built-in marker option of maybe a plus instead, and you want this to be large. For whatever reason, you just want this one marker to be large or small. The point is that you can customize it to be however you need it to be. There you have it. We have adjusted the marker shape, size, and colors in our interesting scatter plot. If you found this to be helpful, if you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.